Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Shambhavi Dabral. She is in level 3. She is 6 years old and she is going to do mental multiplication. Ready, Shambhavi?
Yes, ma'am.
43 multiplied by 5.
215.
Yes, 215 is the right answer. 33 multiplied by 4.
132.
132 is the right answer. 54 multiplied by 6.
324.
Yes, 324 is the right answer. 82. 82 multiplied by 3.
246.
246 is the right answer. 55 multiplied by 4.
220.
Yes, 220 is the right answer. 91 multiplied by 6.
546.
546 is the right answer. 66 multiplied by 7.
462.
462 is the right answer. 31 multiplied by 8.
248.
Yes, 248 is the right answer. 74 multiplied by 6.
444.
Yes, it is the right answer. Last question. 25 multiplied by 9.
225.
Yes, 225 is the right answer. Very good, Shambhavi. Wonderful.